rough, very rough. I have no classes today actually, which is why it's going to be such a productive day. It's currently 20 to 10, and yeah, I need to leave at 10. Ugh, I can't even speak, that's how tired I am. I would definitely have a nap later, but I don't have time to have a nap until my assignment is finished. So basically today, well, right now at 10:15 I'm having like a group session for students that are interested in taking a placement year. If you guys didn't know, I took a placement year last year, so it's basically just a year out of uni where you spend a year in the industry doing an internship or a placement at, like, you know, your choice. So yeah, it's basically just like talking to second years that are interested in taking the placement year and kind of just giving them my experience and how I found it and like if I would recommend it and all of that stuff. So it's going to be about half an hour to 45 minutes, maybe an hour depending, but that's how long the session is going to be. Then after that I'm going to come back. I don't really feel like eating right now. I was going to cook before I left, like just have some breakfast, but I don't really feel like up to eating right now. I feel a bit nauseous if I'm honest, so I'm gonna let my like stomach settle for a bit and just not eat anything. It's only an hour, so by the time that I come back I will, you know, maybe be a bit hungrier than I am right now, and then I can eat something. Also, what else am I doing today? Today I have an assignment due just before midnight, and let's just say this assignment doesn't have to be good. Like, they want you to hand in kind of like the bare minimum because it's a formative, which means it's not graded, but so it's not going to go towards my final mark, but the whole point of it is to hand it in so that someone else has something to mark. So our next assignment is going to be a peer review, which is they're going to be sent someone else's work anonymously, and we have to basically grade it like our teachers would grade it, and then that's what we get graded on. So we're just meant to upload like the first like bare minimum draft of our final conference paper, which is due I think in March, and it has to be 2,000 to 3,000 words, and I've only got 1,000 so far, so I've got another 1,000 or more that I need to pull out of my backside today. Do you want to know what's really ironic? It's 9:55 and I've just got hungry. But I'm gonna have to wait until I get back now. Oh, also I need to go to the office. That's another thing, because I've lost my swipe card. So all my classes that I went to yesterday I wasn't able to swipe in, so it looks like I didn't attend, but I did attend. So I'm gonna have to go to the office, get them to like just put a note on my file to say that I did attend the class, and then I'm gonna have to go and purchase a new swipe card because I don't know where mine is, and it's very annoying because they're probably gonna charge me like a tenner, but I'm gonna have to get it because I have classes tomorrow. Also tonight I'm planning on meal prepping, but to be honest it all depends on whether this assignment gets done or not, because if this assignment doesn't get done I'm not stopping until it does get done, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm actually gonna turn this light off now. So I'm just gonna open the blinds, then I can get a gauge of the weather, see if it's oh god, I just creamed my hands, it's so hard to open. Okay, it's quite a dreary day actually. Let me show you guys. It's quite a dreary day. It's not that nice. I don't know if it's gonna rain or not, but I'm only gonna be out for an hour, so I can only pray that it doesn't rain. I'm just gonna put my Dr. Martens on and my coat. My bag's already packed, and I'm gonna head out of the house. Just to tie me over, I'm eating this granola bar. It's a Nature Valley one. It's Canadian maple syrup, I always keep these in my place just for mornings like this. So I am ready to head out now. So it's currently 4 minutes past 10. I am running a tad late, but I'm a quick walker. It won't take me that long to walk to the place. This is my quick outfit of the day for you guys before I head out. All black again. My scarf's from Primark. My coat is just this long puffer trench. Not trench, but like just maxi puffer coat from PLT. I'm wearing a Pretty Little Thing hoodie with Topshop jeans, my Dr. Martens, and then this bag is from Urban Outfitters. So I need to leave, but I'll catch up with you guys in a bit.
Ryan Little.
Really hoping that person didn't get in the lift. My hair's been quite long, you know. I don't know if you guys remember, but I cut it last year to like up here maybe. It's gone quite a lot. Like that was maybe 7-8 months ago. Back now, and my landlord actually just called me downstairs. Landlord called me downstairs to actually ask me if he could use my room as a showing room for like potential new tenants. So I was like, sure, why not? And I get paid for it, so can't complain. In the most part, my room isn't that messy. Like I do have to clear up. This is my suitcase that I just bought back from home. I just need to clear up some bits off the table, but for like the most part, like my kitchen's clean. My desk could do with a bit of a tidy up, but that won't take long. I've just got a parcel. My bed just has my notebook and stuff and my blanket. So it's like my room's pretty clean. I'd like to think anyways. I think the person is coming, he said between 12 and 2. So I'm just gonna put as many clothes away as I can. I'll probably like won't be able to unpack the whole suitcase just because I have an assignment to do. I'm gonna get on with my assignment. Obviously when the tenant comes, I will like stop, like talk them through it, whatever. Or potential tenant I should say. So I'm just gonna tidy up a bit, make sure everything's like presentable, and then take it from there really. Hey guys, so I'm still doing work and I cleared up my place. I don't know if I even showed you guys, but yeah, I cleared off the table. Haven't unpacked that suitcase and I don't plan on doing it right away. Obviously kitchen was already clean. Just cleared up my bed and swept the floor. It got quite dusty while I was away, so I just quickly cleared that. I'm still here chilling. I've kind of been procrastinating with this assignment, but I have got some more done. I don't know if you guys really care, but basically this is a conference paper, so I think it's going to be 4,000 words, and it's like we had to pick a question to do. So this is what I have so far. That's what happens when you're bored in class. So yeah, this was like the abstract formative that I had to do, and this is the actual second formative. So yeah, just writing it out first, then I'm going to type it up. This conference paper is in my Shakespeare module, by the way, just to let you know. So my question, you have to come up with a question and then like kind of like a thesis, I guess, and then write about it. So I've done it on Shakespeare and the natural world. So I think if I find it on here, I'll get the exact name up for you. I need to just charge my laptop, but the exact name of it is Shakespeare and the Forest, a dream of escapism, fantasy and the human psyche. It's going to be quite complex. It's going to take a lot of research. This is only the basis draft. The final piece is due in March, but what I am writing is just off of my own knowledge right now, off of what I've read on the play and like a little bit of research. But I'm gonna have to do a lot more research in the future into case studies and other theses to kind of just back up my claims and points and comparisons. So yeah, it's like I said, it's 2 and I'm still at it. It's due at midnight, so I'm gonna carry on, but I will see you guys. I'll catch up with you guys in a bit.
2 hours later.
But yeah, the sky looks very pretty this evening. The sun's just set. It's about to start getting dark soon, so I'll probably need to shut my blinds. I am currently about to meal prep. I'm just going to cut up all my veg first. I've got some kale, some broccoli and some carrots. I've just washed the carrots. I need to wash the broccoli. I'm also just going to cut up some ginger and garlic at the moment. I'm currently watching Kill Count for Ready or Not. I haven't actually seen the movie, so I'm kind of spoiling it for myself, but I don't know if I want to watch the movie, so just watching Kill Count for it. So yeah. So I'm just prepping. I'm still prepping. It's 8:30. Can you believe it? Love Island starts in half an hour. Not even seasoned the salmon yet. But so I'm gonna have salmon, kale and rice as 2 dishes. I'm making, this is gonna be split into 2 dishes. I'm making some beef and broccoli with rice, and then I'm also gonna make a beef fried rice. So yeah, this is all my veg that is prepped. This is 2 carrots. Oh, this is it's not a lot of broccoli. Like, I'm probably gonna use all of this. Like, I did want some in the what's it called, in the fried rice, but I don't think this is enough. This might all have to go in the beef dish. That is the sauce for my fried rice. That's my beef marinating for the fried rice. I've got ginger and garlic chopped up there. So yeah, I'm about to heat up my pan. Like, meal prep is a lot, guys. I don't know how people do this, but it's gonna save me time in the long run, I guess. So I'm just gonna continue with this, and yeah, I'm still watching Kill Count. Yeah. So the beef and broccoli is done. I added some carrots in there as well. So that's going to be 2 servings. I use like packet rice just because my stove is like really bad at cooking rice. So I use packet rice, so that will just be fine. Love Island's on. So I have seasoned my salmon. I'm going to cook this kale to go with the salmon, and then I can just have rice whenever I need it. Right now I'm working on the stir fry. Still got some leftover ginger and garlic. I won't use the ginger for the kale, but I will use the garlic for the kale, just because it is getting so late. It's currently 9:30 and I haven't eaten yet. So what I am gonna do, pop that in there. So what I am going to do is I'm just going to pop the kale back in the fridge and I can cook this tomorrow. So let me just pop that down there. Also with this, I'm just going to cover it. It's already seasoned, so that's fine, and then I can cook that tomorrow. I also didn't complete my assignment, which is due in 2.5 hours, so I'm going to do that now. This is music to my bloody ears. I have successfully uploaded my assignment, not updated. I have uploaded this assignment, which has taken me forever. The time is literally just hit 11:30. Cutting it fine. I even had to specify very basic because I don't want to hear any noise from anyone. You said you wanted basic, that's what you got.